Good morning, students. Now we are going to study the other topic in mensuration, that is conversion of the solids from one form to the other form. So here we have the one type of important sum for 4 marks. A woman self-help group is supplied a rectangular solid which is a cuboidal shape of wax with dimensions 66 cm, 42 cm, 21 cm to prepare cylindrical candles, each 4.2 cm in diameter and 2.8 cm of height. Find the number of candles. So here the dimensions means length, breadth and height. So length is taken as 66, breadth 42 and height 21 cm. So these are the dimensions of the given cuboid which is a wax. It is converted into the cylindrical type of objects. That is, the cylindrical shapes means the candle shapes means simply it is in a cylindrical form. So we can use the volume formulas of the cuboid and as well as the cylinder. And one more important, and one more sum. How many spherical balls can be made out of a solid cube of lead whose edge measures 44 cm and each ball being 4 cm in diameter? So here the conversion is in between cube and the sphere. Okay, the cuboid shape is converted into the spherical ball. And one more. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 cm is melted and drawn into a wire having the diameter of cross section 0.2 cm. Find the length of the wire. So like this sums they will ask for the 4 marks. And one more important sum here. A cylindrical shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 cm and height 15 cm is full of ice cream. So the ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 cm and diameter 6 cm having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. So this is very important. He is given here the cone ice cream. Cone ice cream, we can imagine the shape of the cone ice cream. So ice cream is filled like a hemispherical shape on the top. So that's why here we have to find the value of the full ice cream in the cylindrical container, and next the value of the cone plus the value of the hemisphere. So that means we should add that cone and hemispherical shaped ice cream value. So here we have to find out the number of such hemispherical cones. So that should be filled by the ice cream in the container. So this is also we can apply the volume formulas for a cylindrical shaped container and cone and hemisphere. And one more important here. A solid metallic sphere of diameter 28 cm is melted and recast into a number of smaller cones, each of diameter 4 integer 2 by 3 cm and height 3 cm. Find the number of cones so formed. So here also, so same type of sums here we can see. And next, one more important. A solid toy is in the form of a right circular with a hemispherical shape one end and cone at the other end. Their common diameter is 4.2 cm and height of the cylindrical and conical portion are 12 cm and 7 cm respectively. Find the value of the solid toy. So here again already we discussed this object in previous. So first in middle we have the cylinder and either side one is hemisphere and other is the cone. Here we have all the measurements of these objects by using volume formulas. The volume formulas of the given solids, you can easily solve this sum. Okay, so these types of sums are very important in mensuration. Then our next topic is very important for higher studies, that is trigonometry. So in this trigonometry also we have some important sums for 4 marks. So in that one, first one, given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, then evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. That is the first one. and that one only second question, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So we can simply, by applying the ratio formulas, already we learned in 11th chapter, the trigonometry chapter. First we starting with that ratio formulas only. What are they? Sin theta opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan theta opposite side by adjacent side, cot theta adjacent side by opposite side, and sec theta hypotenuse by adjacent side, and the last cosec theta is hypotenuse by opposite side. So first you learn the first three ratios, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, then automatically we can easily by that other three formulas. So and next we must learn that Pythagoras formula also, what it is. Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. So by using these formulas we can easily find the given ratio values by concerned ratios. So next here one more important concept, that is provings of the trigonometric equations. That means here we have prove that under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Actually here each equation is like a identity. Okay, so we have to prove that type of identities by simply some algebraic methods and by using the algebraic formulas. So while doing these sums we must know about that algebraic formulas also. Already we well known that formulas. What are they? A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So at most these formulas only used simultaneously with that of the trigonometric formulas. We have the trigonometry identities also there. So three identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that we can get two more formulas, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and then secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1, and secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and the last cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, then cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1, and the last one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So by using these three identities and along with that algebraic formulas also, we can easily solve these type of sums. And one more important on this 4 mark sums, 1 plus tan theta, evaluate 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta, and sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. And one more important, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Next, prove that under root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. Already just now only we start that form, the type of sum only. 1 plus cos theta by under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. So by doing these two sums we can create some other questions also. For example, under root of 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a is equal to secant a minus tan a, and here also under root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. So like this sums we can create for practice purpose. And next here one more very important 4 mark sum. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So next like this sum also we have secant theta and tan theta terms. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then prove that sin theta is equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So like that also we can get some important sums. And next one more important here in that 4 mark sums. So what are they? Cosecant a minus sin a into secant a minus cos a is equal to 1 by tan a plus cot a. So proving these type of sums, we can prove first of all LHS some quantity and RHS some quantity. In the last we have to prove that those two quantities are equal. So by that method we can solve it. I will give that answer on that screen. Next one more important, prove that 1 plus sec a by sec a is equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. So just practice these type of sums for 4 marks, and 2 and 1 marks questions are also there. I will tell in the next video. And the next chapter is application of trigonometry. So in this chapter also we have the compulsory question in 4 marks. So here some important sums. Let's see that one. A 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of the temple, which is 30 meter in height, from a point at a certain distance. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. So these type of sums are very important in practice. And next, in one sum we will have the depression, angle of depression and angle of elevation. So both the angles are included in this type of sums. Such sums are very important. So see that one. From the top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cell tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression to the foot is 45 degrees. If the distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters, then find the height of the tower. Okay, so by reading the question, you definitely imagine which one is big and which one is small. So according to that only we have to draw the rough figure. As we all know, first before doing this sum, figure must draw the rough figure. And rough figure means you have to draw the neatly only by using that lines. We can look at the observation point and angle of elevation and angle of depression, as we all know that. So while doing these sums, I will tell you clearly on board also. Just for your sake, so write down or note down all these type of questions and put them like even notes. It is very useful to your examinations. Now here, one more important sum. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 120 feet wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So which is very important and also easy sum only, you can do it. Next, the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500√3 meters, find the speed of the jet plane. Okay, so this type of sum is very important. Here they can change that height just like 1600√3 or 1200√3 or 900√3, and they can change the time also, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, like that. So just they can change only the numericals, but the sum model is as it is. So that's why learn properly and practice properly to get the full marks. And next, one important connective question is there. Connective means it is connected in between the mensuration chapter and trigonometry, application trigonometry. So see here, an iron spherical ball of volume 2,32,848 cm³ has been melted and converted into a cone with the vertical angle of 120 degrees. What are its height and base? So I will give the clear sum on this chart on the screen. So do that one also. Do it practice. And the next one is probability and statistics. Let us discuss those two chapters in the next video.